In this video, we'll be talking about how to manage product fields in Getshop. First, let me describe what are product fields. Here, under e-commerce management, we can see the products section. In the next window, if you click on Add Product, you will see a lot of fields here describing the product in different ways, such as size, color, model, and other similar fields. These are the product fields. You can manage product fields in two different ways. The first way is to navigate to product fields under e-commerce management. Here you can add, create, activate, and deactivate fields. Let's now click on Add New Field button. There are several areas to be filled in here. For example, front-end name, admin name, name for filter, show and filter. Front-end name means the name with which this product field will appear in your product pages when shoppers will view your products. What you enter in this example box here will appear under the box of your new field as a grey text mentioning examples of the variations you could potentially use here. We created a field with the name dress length, so our examples will be mini, midi, long, and so on. Enter those here, separating each variation with a comma. This will not create the variations themselves, but just give a hint to yourself later on when you'll be working on the product details page. You can actually create the variations in the product details page. Next here is admin name. Here you can choose a more specific title to make it easier for admin to understand what this field is about. In our case, dress length is good enough, so we'll keep it the same. Now we can choose how to call this field in the filter. This is for the filter option in your shop front, where shoppers can sort all results according to specific filters. Here we might choose to name the product field in a shorter way. So in this example, let's call it length. And lastly, you can see here a radio button, which gives you an option to show this product field as one of the filters in the storefront filter. Remember that product field will only appear as filter in storefront filter if this field has been filled in for at least one product. Now that you have filled in all of these areas, click Add. You'll be directed back to the main product fields page. We can see now that our newly created product field is still not active. To activate the product field, in the status column, click on the inactive to activate the field. If you are using subscription functions, you should activate this field also in the Activate in Subscriptions column. To learn more about subscriptions, please see one of our other videos on this specific topic. Now that we have completed activating our product field, it will appear in Product page under e-commerce management, as well as in Subscriptions orders. You can also deactivate specific product fields if you don't need them anymore by clicking on the button Active. There is another way to manage product fields. You don't have to set all of your product fields in advance. You can also do it whilst you're adding your products. Let's go to the Products page and let's click on the Add Product button. In the next window to the right-hand side, there is a Manage Fields icon. In the pop-up window, you can see two tabs. One is Manage Existing, as well as Create New Field. Manage Existing means that you can activate and deactivate fields that are already in your system. With Create New Field, you can create completely new fields here. When you click on the Create New Field, you can here enter all of the information regarding front-end name, admin name, and name for filter, as well as select whether you want the product field to appear in the storefront filter. This is exactly the same as I described before. Now click on Save and you are done. Now you can continue working on adding your product. Thanks for watching.